Hello and welcome friends. Welcome to our series of GoLang tutorials. Today we are going to study on organizing of a Go module. Let us begin with the directory structure similar to this. So if there is a project root directory, you can rename it, for example, mod name. This is a module, right? So module must contain go.mod, and secondly, it can contain the package files. Mode name.go, mode name test.go. This test represents, it will contain the test case for testing our Go code. Suppose you create a repository in your GitHub account. The URL would contain github.com, your username slash your repository name, or you can say your module name. Let's say you have created repository name mode name. So mod name would be the path. So this is the convention that we are following. Assuming the directory is uploaded to GitHub repository at github.com. github.com, your username and slash mod name would be module name. The module line in the go.mod file should say this. We have the example for the mod name.go. The package name is mod name. Okay. So in the import statement, what we do is we fetch the packages. We write here the package. So how the package name would return is path to the package. So that would be github.com slash some user slash mod name. The path to the package is same as the module name. So here the module name and the package name are same. Now if the project root directory, we have added some more files, o.go, test.go. The package name for each file in a directory will be consistent and same. So if you had used the package mode name, then in each file you have to write package mode name. The package name will be same. All the files in the directory declare package mode name. Okay. Now coming to basic commands, if anyone want to use your module, so in order to use your module, a user should be able to install it on their machine with go install this module name @latest, that means latest version. You can specify the version, but if latest is mentioned, it will download the latest version. It is a command. For example, main.go contain the main package. You can build an executable using the main package, right? So anyone can install your module and just double click and can execute the basic command or the GoLang program. So that's why the heading says basic command, a basic executable program. Okay, so anyone can download your basic executable program using go install. Module name is this. Now let's come to package or command with supporting packages. Let's say your module contain multiple packages. First is the module package that is directly under project root directory, and there are sub packages inside internals. For example, this contain auth package. You can write in auth.go package space auth, and in hash you can use the package name as hash. The directory name would be the package name. Okay, the purpose of internal directory is you do not want to use these packages in another module. You want to use it in same module. Auth can be used in hash can be used in auth can be used in mode name. So these are the internal packages. Let's say you want to use the auth package. You can import auth package. Auth package structure would be first the module name, that is this one. After that the directories inside it, internal slash auth, path to your package files. So this way you can import a sub package inside the same module. Now you have multiple packages. If you want some sub packages to be used in another module, now what you would do, this root directory go.mod contain module github.com slash some user slash mode name. If anyone want to import mode name package, basically these two files. So they can just import github.com/some user mode name. But if they want to import some sub packages like auth, hash, now if anyone want to use sub package auth.go, that would be import github.com/some user/mode name, then path to this root directory, and then adding the subpath /auth. You can directly import this package, and in go.mode what you would mention is the module name, require module this can be added using go mode td command to automatically add the module name. Internal is generally for internal purposes. If we want to use trace.go only inside this module only, package trace that reside internal/traces cannot be imported outside this module. It is recommended to keep package in internal as much as possible. So as I mentioned earlier, anything inside internal directory would not be imported outside this module. Now let's say you have multiple commands. Multiple commands means multiple executables. For example, you have a package program prog1 and prog2. Both contain main functions or main packages. That means multiple command in the same module. So how can you download it? You can download it using first the module name, that is path to project root directory slash path to your command, that is /prog1 @latest, that represent the latest version. Secondly, package and command in the same repository. So there can be multiple commands, that is executables, as well as multiple packages. Anything containing the main package is called command over here, and anything other than the main package are called packages. Okay, these are the packages basically, and these are the commands. Okay, now you can import packages similar as mentioned earlier, and you can download or install the command using this one. Okay, command are generally stored in cmd. If you want a command, you should use cmd/this one. For internal, be sure to mention internal when the packages need not be used in the other module. For packages to be exported or imported by another module, you can manage packages as subdirectories as well in the root directory. Directory name is generally same as the package name. So let's say auth. So package name is also auth. Project root directory name is mode name. So the package name is also mode name. Generally, this is the good practice that we follow. And if you are coding in Go language, you should keep it in that way. And the module name is only mentioned in the root directory over here. Now there can be server projects, that is basically executables that run as servers. For example, API server. Okay, so this is the root directory. Here there are some internal packages as well as some servers like API server, matrix analyzer, and further there can be many server in the CMD. So this is the basic directory structure for a single module, and with multiple packages or packages and commands. These are all the things that you require to develop a good code. So this is all about organizing a Go module.
Thanks for watching. Please like the video and put your queries in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe Tech World with G to follow with the latest videos. Thank you.